Cadillac CTS. It's a stock. One more time. 98 on that one. There it is. So we'll let you guys hear when we take the muffler off. 2022 Cadillac. We're gonna do a rear muffler delete on it, but I wanted to show you guys what it looks like before. Stock converters there and there. Comes down to the single, goes into a H pipe, and then it goes into an X pipe right there. And then it goes into the rear muffler in the back right there and right there. So we're gonna take that off, straight pipe it, go back to the factory tips. So it'll look the same out the back right there and right there. I'll let you guys hear when we're finished, when we take off the rear muffler.
Guys, we got our first Blackwing. Cadillac 6.2 supercharged V8 Cadillac Blackwing, but in blue. Still looks sexy as, you know, I don't want to say the word, but you guys know what I'm thinking. I'm always fond of Cadillacs. I don't know why, I like them. One of my favorite cars. Luxury and fast at the same time. Anyways, let me show you guys what we've done to it. So it's still got the factory converter there. Factory converter there. And this Cadillac Blackwing, what they did is they did a combination of an H pipe and an X pipe. So there's the H pipe closer to the motor. And then they put an X pipe more towards the middle right there. Then it continues. And then we had to do custom Y pipes on it because he wanted to keep the factory tips. So we ran custom Y pipes into his valves, as you guys can see there and there. And there it is. Custom fab Y pipe setup. Exhaust Addicts always gets it hooked up. That's them out the back. This is the muffler that comes on it, where the two tips came out, one on here and one right here. And that's where the two enter into the muffler, right there and right there. So it's a dual in, dual out with quad tip set up outside so they can put the valve. So if you guys look under the car when it's on the ground, it almost looks like we didn't do anything, but then all you'll hear is the sound of it. And it's gonna sound phenomenal. We'll let you guys hear it before. Now we're gonna let you guys hear it after. But check it out. Cadillac Blackwing. There it is. That's the custom Y pipes out the back. All right, guys, stay tuned. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Look at the interior luxury on this. That's what I'm talking about luxury. The stitched leather, all that. Blackwing in the stitching right there. That's a nice little accent. There's the V's in the headrest. It's really nice. Fully screened out. Wow. Beautiful car. So nice. Alcantara seats in the back. Very nice car. Let you guys see under the hood, because that's what matters most. Woo! What a beast. Look at that. Wow. That's a car right there. That's a motor. Individually signed, handcrafted and signed by the builder. Right there. Very nice. All right. We're going to let you guys hear it in a second. There it is. Now it sounds like a Blackwing, man. I bet you it was extra quiet before.
Yeah, it was
Look at Idle. This is Idle in 78. 76.
What is that?
Sound doesn't. That sounds so much. Guys, that's insane. Look at that pop, man. Hell yeah, I love that pop. Go and back it up. So guys, you know how we left the valves in one side? It does make a huge difference on these Y pipes. So this is with the valve. This is with the valve closed, right? So this is with the valve closed. This is with the valve open. How much it restricts it, dude. Wow. So that's good to know, guys. With it open, close it. With it closed, noticeably different, man. Wow. Keep it open. And rev it. That sounds phenomenal. Yeah. That's the right sound. What do you think? You like it? That's it, I like it. He likes it. That's it, I like it. All right, let me let you hear it on the inside, guys. It needs that to stop. Look at the brakes, guys. Woo. Should he go with bigger wheels or leave them like that? I'd say leave it like that. It's clean. I told him he needs a carbon fiber hood because the top is black. I said a carbon fiber hood would look so good on it. Don't you guys agree? Let me know in the comments. What else should he do to it? Because he said he's going to read the comments, and so tell him what he should do to this. If it was yours, what would you do with it? Let me know. And because it's a Blackwing, I would change, the only thing I'd change on the back is make that wing, this wing black. That's it. Leave everything else the same. Just to give them an indication that it's a Blackwing, you know? Because it doesn't say it anywhere else, except on the seats inside and stuff. It's definitely a Blackwing. This is that marble. What a beast. Came alive when we took the muffler off. Love it. Enjoy, guys. That sounds a lot better now. It says Camaro again. That's perfect. Now, take it off. See ya. Take off, actually, not take it off. Take off. Here we go. Let's see what this beast can do. Very nice. Very, very nice. Look at that. I like it. We keep adding to them, guys. We try our best to. Very nice.